Hello guys, hello friends, welcome back to this tutorial. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can clear hidden files or folders on your Android phone. So in Android phone there are different hidden files and folders that you are not able to find and delete them, and if you delete some of data from those folders, and those files are going to remain with the information or with the data that containing, for instance, the name of the files or that or folder, the names of in documents. So but it is going to remain with its caches. So I'm going to show you how you can trace those hidden files on your Android phone and choose to delete those files so as to remove permanently in your Android phone. So it means that whenever you delete any files in your Android phone, it doesn't mean that it is permanently removed in your Android phone, so deleted in your Android phone. You need to check those remaining hidden files in your Android phone to remove it permanently. So now let's get started. But first, if you didn't subscribe to this channel, No Max TV, please subscribe to No Max TV, like this video, so and share this video to your friends, and subscribe, turn on notification button. So let's get started now. So I'm going to go into my file manager. So see, I'm going to go into files or file manager. If you have file manager, you can go into file manager. So I will be showing you how you can even use VLC to enter into your Android phone to check those hidden files. So I'm going to go into my file now, then click files. So once I'm done clicking files, now I'm going to get to, you see now I'm getting various options. What I want to do is this. You see now I'm going to click internal. So internal storage. So in internal storage there are various options. Now you see I have 436 MB3. Now I'm going to click this internal storage. Once I click the internal storage, it is going to open the storage of my Android phone. You see there are files, different files. Here there is alarms, there is Android. So means some files are in my Android phone, but other are not in my Android phone. So what I'm going to do is, you see now those are the applications that I have in my Android phone. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you all the applications that are in my Android phone. So you see, so you see those are applications that are in my Android phone. Now let me show you which are applications. You see now you can pass through these applications and see. Then you go back to these files and show you whether you see here there is a cam scanner. So for instance, there's a cam scanner here in my Android phone. So this cam scanner, this is the application from September 8. So when I go back here on these applications, even I go in settings and check for apps or applications, you see I don't have cam scanner in my applications. You see now I don't have cam scanner in my applications. You can see there is no cam scanner in my files. So means that one is the remaining file which is supposed to be hidden in my Android phone, that I have to delete it. Now what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to click here on this file, then I click this cam scanner, and after this I'm going to click here at the top of this Android phone, then click on this button, then choose to delete this cam scanner file, because I don't have a cam scanner in my Android phone. Means it is a folder which is there in my Android phone but is hidden. Now let me delete it. So after that I can also scroll down and see whether there is any other file that's in my Android phone. So you see that InShot, so this InShot and this Mega. Now InShot, you see this InShot. So you see InShot, You see these mega applications. Then we scroll down and show you. You see photo editors. You see PixArt. You see, yes, let me show you each and everything. Now you see Telegram. You see WhatsApp status saver. Yes. Let me come back. You see those are applications. I think those are not in my Android phone. Let me come back here on my screen and show you. Even you see now there is now one application including WhatsApp status, including photo editor, and PixArt. So even when I go there in my applications, let me show you. You see now, when I go to my application, there is no WhatsApp status saver, there is no mega, there is no what and what. You see, those files or those folders are not in my Android phone. What I'm going to do is this. I'm going to choose to delete those files from my Android phone by going here again, back in files. So, and I choose to select these files. Once selected, I'm going to click on delete options at the top of the bar. This, then delete all of files. So I'm going to delete 6 folders permanently. I'm going to, they say permanently because means before they were not already deleted, but I'm going to delete permanently them now. They were not already deleted, but I'm going to delete them permanently by this time. Now I choose to place here delete. Once I delete this, they are not going to come back in my Android phone. You see 6. Now I'm waiting. Yes, they wait until they have already deleted all. Yes, you see now they are deleted. So after deleting them, you see now there is none of application which is coming back. Yes, no file of which is coming back. Any other files that is maybe there may be any other file that can be coming. Even this is not in my Android phone. I can choose to delete this. Any files that is in my Android phone or folders is being shown here, but there are other hidden files that you cannot see while looking here on the screen of Android phone in applications, or while you are looking even in your settings for applications. So there are files that are hidden that you cannot see, that are considering that are consuming your phone space, your phone storage, and you need to delete them. So this is how you can delete this by using file manager, and you can use other options like VLC, which I will be showing you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you didn't subscribe, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video, share this video to your friends, and turn on the notification bell button to get notified when we upload a new video here at Novomax TV. If there is any question or suggestion, please leave it in a comment section. See you